Imagine a smartphone that folds, not just any foldable, but one that's set to change the game. You have heard of the Samsung Galaxy Fold and the Huawei Mate X, but what if I told you that something even more disruptive is coming? Tecno, a brand many associate with budget phones, is preparing to launch not one, but two groundbreaking foldables, the Tecno Phantom V Fold 2 and the Phantom V Flip 2. What secrets do these phones hold? Stick around, because this might be the most exciting foldable news yet. Design and first impressions, the Tecno Phantom V Fold 2 is shaping up to be a sleek and elegant device. From leaked images, we can see it's compact yet sophisticated, with a smooth fold mechanism that's similar to the high-end Galaxy Z Fold 5. Tecno is taking this foldable game seriously, offering premium features but aiming to be more affordable than its competitors. The Phantom V Flip 2, on the other hand, is designed with a chic clamshell format, blending style with functionality. Both devices are rumored to come in multiple color variants, ensuring you not only get performance but also a touch of personal flair. Display and features, let's talk about what you'll see when these phones unfold. The Phantom V Fold 2 is expected to boast a 7.8-inch AMOLED display when fully open, with 120Hz refresh rate support, making it perfect for watching videos or gaming. The V Flip 2, though smaller, doesn't disappoint either, with its 6.9-inch AMOLED display, offering a similarly fluid visual experience. But what really sets these phones apart is the optimization for multitasking. Imagine running two apps side by side with no lag, something that these foldables seem ready to handle. Performance under the hood. Now, here is where things get interesting. Tecno is pulling out all the stops with the Dimensity 9000 Plus chipset for the Phantom V Fold 2, ensuring lightning-fast performance. The V Flip 2 packs the Dimensity 8050, which might not be as powerful but still offers impressive results for day-to-day tasks and gaming. Both phones are rumored to have 12 GB of RAM, which means you can forget about app freezes or lag when multitasking. On top of that, 5G support comes standard for both models, ensuring you stay connected at top speeds. Cameras. Now, for the camera enthusiasts, Tecno is also upping its game. The Phantom V Fold 2 is expected to house a 64MP triple-lens system, providing sharp and vibrant photos. Early leaks suggest that AI-enhanced features will improve low-light shots and portrait photography, making it perfect for content creators and vloggers. Meanwhile, the V Flip 2 will sport a more modest 48MP dual-lens setup. But don't be fooled. Tecno's AI algorithms are expected to push these cameras to deliver premium quality images. And yes, both foldables will let you shoot with the phone half open, making hands-free selfies and creative shots easier than ever. Battery and charging. Foldable phones are known for their high performance needs, so how do these Tecno devices handle battery life? The Phantom V Fold 2 comes equipped with a 5610 mAh dual-cell battery, which should last you through a full day of use, even with heavy multitasking. The 45W fast charging ensures you're back up to full battery in under an hour. The Phantom V Flip 2, while having a slightly smaller battery, will still provide fast charging at 33W, making it convenient for on-the-go users. Price and availability. Here is the best part about these foldables: affordability. While competitors like Samsung and Huawei price their foldable phones upwards of $1,500, the Tecno Phantom V Fold 2 is expected to start around $900, with the V Flip 2 coming in at around $750. This positions Tecno as a real contender in the foldable market, especially for users who want the foldable experience without emptying their wallets. The official launch is expected by the end of the year, so stay tuned for more leaks and first impressions. That wraps up today's look at the Tecno Phantom V Fold 2 and V Flip 2. Are these the foldables that could shake up the market? With premium features at an affordable price point, It sure seems like they could be. Let us know in the comments if you're excited for these devices, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more exclusive tech content. This is Tech Explorer, signing off. Stay curious.